That's where I live. Way down there. Puntarenas is in the background. Right over there. I'm at the Monteverde National Reserve. Very amazing place to be. This is, I think, the 4th or 5th time that I've been to this national park. Colibrí, aquí en Monteverde. Hummingbird exhibit, which is open to the public. Here you see hummingbirds just zooming past your face. We're still in quarantine, but some of the national parks here in Costa Rica have opened, including this one. What an amazing sight to see them actually pursue one another. Oh, look at that. Kind of see that? So I don't know if they're fighting or mating or playing or whatever that is. Pretty incredible. You can feel the wings flapping around you within inches of your face. It's incredible. And when they stop, you can see them so much closer. Here in Monteverde National Park, you see the clouds descending on... This is the cloud forest of Monteverde. In the distance, you see the clouds. About an hour ago, those didn't exist. The afternoon kind of cools down, and then all of a sudden, the ambiance changes. The horizon. This is the afternoon. It's about 3 o'clock. Cows. They are on the other side of the fence, right in the edge. They have no idea the danger that they're in. One just stepped incorrectly and one of the rocks just fell. They're trying to get across this. Oh, okay, just got back in.